Zymon B. Oh, do I do this? I don't know how to go live. Tabingi po talaga siya. Okay na yan, table naman. Diyos ko, may lagnat na. Hello everyone, I'm Zambia. Welcome back to my channel. So, as you all may know, meron po akong konting sinat. Ayan po, I have a flu, you guys. Like a mild flu. Hopefully, it's not the C word. Ate Brin ako, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Huwag kang ano dyan. Anyway, this is my Spotlight album from Jessie Services. Shout out to you, Miss Ain. Kung nandito ka man ngayon. Wala ba si Ain? Bawal mag-scissors ha. Of course, I will not touch the huge ass scissors in this. Ate Bri, sabihan mo si Nabi, nandito lang tayo sa Twitter. Ain kasi yun. Ayin ba? Sorry po. Natanggal ko na siya sa plastic. Thank you po sa hearts. Wala naman. Andito na po siya. It's fully bubble wrapped. Bilisan ka man nila mag-overheat na ako, char. Okay lang yan. Para pagpawisan, mawala yung lagnat. Yes. Live na si Zay. Ayaw talaga nila pumasok. Kaya mo natin breathe. Hello everyone. You know. Hi. Hi to the new viewers. Nabi, hello. Ang pangit ko. Shoutout po. Shoutout sa iyo, Nabi. Hindi ko mahanap yung dulo, Ate Bri. Paano ba to? Wait! Nasaan? Okay. Gusto ko na lang siya gupitin. Ayan. Pwede ba yun? Bato? Teka, hindi niyo makita yung ginagawa ko. Ibaba ko yung camera ng phone. Who's watching? Hello, everyone! I am unboxing my Spotlight album. Wow, kala mo DJ. Ate Bri said that I can't use scissors. So, I'm trying to find the way to open this without scissors. And she wants me to suffer, basically. She hates me. This is challenging. Kagat. Ayoko nga. Baka magka-virus yung album ko. Hindi ko mahanap yung dulo, ate. Teka. I'm a mess today. Lobat na ako, guys. Wait lang. Nakakahon naman yan sa loob. I know. But, you know, sabi mo, tanggalin namin ang walang good things. So, I'm just abiding with the rules. Rip it, rip it. I'm trying, you guys. Ayan na! OMG, okay, wait. Ito na po. Ito na po siya, mga kaibigan. Charot lang, hindi ko lang. Totoo. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Lord, patawad. Okay, wait. Tatanggal na natin yung unang plastic. Okay, great. We love that for me. Oh my gosh, excited na ako. Alam niyo bang mainit yung ilaw ko? Tapos, pinapahirapan pa ako ni Ate Bri magbukas. Bababa ako ulit para makita niyo. Ayan, kita na ba? Mahirap niya buksan. Bakit naman ganito, ate? Totoo. Hindi na ako bibili ulit sa Jessie Services. Charot. Wala kang fan. Maingay. Hindi po pwede sa ating mic. Maririnig nyo po. TNT yan. Unsatisfied customer. Nako, 2 stars. Charot. Ang hirap naman. Ano ba nangyayari? Bakit parang walang dulo? JNT ang nag-bubble wrap. Kahit na. Kahit na. Gigil si ako. Sure. Anyway. I just want it to be over. You guys! Oh my... Ako si fragile tape lang naman ako. Okay. Kaya natin to. Oh my gosh, Ate Bri. Wala na akong daliri bukas. Oh my god. I'm just like... Ayan na. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay. Teka, yung pawis ko, be, grabe. Kaya pa ba, Kuya San? Baka bukas matapos tayo dito. Gusto nyo yun? Hello, everyone. We have 6 viewers now. Ayan na siya. Okay, lumalabas na siya sa ating lungga. Hello, Amy. Welcome. So, basically, we got it out of the bubble wrap, you guys. Pretends to understand Filipino. I'm sorry, Amy. You can watch the YouTube version of this after, and then I'm gonna put subtitles, so don't you worry. Ayan na. Madali na pala tanggalin. It's easy to remove the tape that Ate Bri put in this box, so I'm not mad about her. I'm mad about JNT, you know what I mean? Pack it up. Oh my god! You guys! Ito na po siya. Yeah, this is the piece de... COVID. No, I'm kidding. This is the piece de resistance. Later, mauna na kayo, ma. Kakain na daw kami. We will eat. But I'm gonna eat later because You have to unbox this shit. It looks brand new, actually. OMG YouTuber vibes come through. We're trying, you guys. So, I'm gonna try and unpack this very, very carefully because I wanna use it. I wanna use the bubble wrap after. Wait! Ang hirap buksan natin. Punitin ko na lang siya, ah. Okay. Oh my gosh! It looks brand new! Thumbnail. Let's do a thumbnail right now. Is that a good thumbnail, you guys? Okay. Dapat pala may gloves ako. Look, yung kamay ko nagdumi na dun sa ano. Ganda! It's so pretty. Emotional. Okay, wait. Okay. Ay! Okay. Dalawa pala siya. It's 2 pieces. We have the cardboard with the old VAV logo, which I definitely am not a fan of. But it's cute. VAV Spotlight. You guys. It's holographic text. Okay. Oh, ganda! It's so pretty, you guys. It's so pretty! Mas maganda pa to sa made for 2. Oh, ang ganda niya! I can't scream right now because it's the evening, but baby can't tell you miss you. Sobrang ganda naman ng quality nito. Parang walang masabi talaga yung made for 2, be. Ang ganda. The print is nice, the paper is nice. Photos are beautiful. It's so good. Parang hindi siya safe talaga ng quality ng made for 2. Yung made for 2 kasi parang ang nipis na niya. I love this so much. I hate this outfit though. Huwag kayong mangiinggit. Cha, hello. Huwag ka sana mainggit, pero ang ganda. Ah, silo. Oh. Nabi, ayan na. Miss Amy, hello. This is for you. May pa-plastic na background. Parang masarap gayahin. Ang ganda. Okay, si Paron. Hello, Baron. I miss you so much. Lapit na pala mag-birthday to. Ang cute. I'm amazed. I love this outfit of Saint Van. It looks very detailed. Pampayat pa niya dito, no? Parang hindi pa siya masyadong maskulado. Bet ko kaya. 7 heart. Zai now has more photos for VSD. I do. Ang ganda nitong outfit ni Ace. Very ahead of its time. Parang pag sinuot mo to ngayon, very trendy ka, ganon. Dark brown hair. I love this. Jacob. Yay! This is so good. Ba't parang hindi ko nakita si Jiu? Nagmamadali ba ako masyado? Teka, ayun pala siya. Hindi ko po napansin. Sorry. Here is Jiu. So cute. Payat pa niya dito, BB. They're very simple but very chic. I love that. Parang gusto ko gayahin to. They're real color Korean dramas. No, I'm kidding. Ano, ganda. Hanap tayo ng distressed na wall. I love this photo. Ang cute. Ganda nitong parang unfinished. Tapos, I love these outfits kasi parang deconstructed siya but it's very structured. So, parang juxtaposition, black and white contrast, the spotlight pose. Parang, paano ba yan? Ganun ba yun? Parang, are we just gonna like, ganon? Ayun na yung red light. Ayan na siya. Hala, ang ganda, ang iconic. Sobrang iconic. Tignan mo si Lo. Oh, Pak. Lavarn. Tignan mo si Baron. Oh, parang bagong gising. Hala, ang cute ni Ace. Oh. Si Jacob. Barbecue yarn. Hindi mo siya barbecue. The lyrics, as Lo wants to say, and I can't read them, but you know what? I'm gonna pretend that I do right now. So, yeah, so special. I can't stop till I get her. Oh, here we go. Oh, I can't believe my eyes. It don't make sense. I'm sorry, Koreans, if you're watching this. I'm really sorry. Oh my gosh, wait! Oh! Pinatanggal na page! Hindi ko na ito mariresell. Refund. Sumbong. Sige, please. Let's report the seller chart. It's fine, you guys. It's fine. It's fine. You know? It's for me. I'm fine, you guys. I'm fine. Balik po tayo. Ayan po si Ano. Ayan. Kulay yellow yung tenga niya for some reason. Nako, Ate Ayin, may natanggal na page. Gusto ko po ng full refund. Charot. Ang ganda ng lighting. I wanna play with these like kind of lightings, you guys. O hindi ko sinira. Ano ba yan? Alam mo, okay lang kasi sa akin. Hindi naman ako masyadong bitter. Kasi tanda na tong album na to. Parang relic na siya. Eh, nagwawala ako dito. Bukang-buka naman kasi. Ang ganda ng outfit ni Eno dito. Parang pleather. Lyrics lang gorgeous. Yes, one of my favorite songs, and Give It To Me. Sobrang ganda ng MV. Here's Low. Ang pogi niya dito. Bagong gising chic. Lagi silang wet look, no? Parang bagong ligo, ganon. Gulo-gulo buhok, ganon. Hey, Low. Low no. Mas gusto ko yung Low no, sorry. Si Baran ba to? Parang iba itsura niya dito. Ala siya, oh. Yes. She's Mine, my favorite song. Hello. Yes! Yes! Ba't naman naka-t-shirt lang si Ace dito? Parang sabi nung stylist, okay na yan, pwede na yan. Ang cute. Ako, parang lalo ko masisira ito. Paano ko ba aayusin ito mamaya? Pagdadasal ko na lang din siya. Yes! I love the lighting. It's so good. Nandito na po si Baron and Ace, ang ating 92 liners. My God, here. Ewan ko sa inyo. Diyos ko, nag-iingay na kayo dyan. Yes! Ayun na si Saint Van. Ang ganda nung... Ay, grabe. Favorite lighting ko to. It's the contrast between the blue and the red. It's so good. Yung balat ni Saint Van parang... sana all, diba? Parang... glass skin homes. Hala, wait. Nakita ko si June. Pogi. Look! Oh my gosh. I love. We stand. We love. We stand. Mind you. Joke. Ano to? Online selling? Hindi ako nagbebenta. Bahala kayo dyan. Pag nilapit niyo yung camera na ganito kalapit sa akin, magmumukha tayo nanonood ng outer space video. Yung mga nag-ano sa moon. You, Jacob, and Saint Van. Yes! You better fucking work, bitch. All the spot is just going on. Yeah. Kasama din pala dito yung Dance With Me. So, 7 tracks na siya. Okay. Ito feeling ko parang inedit na lang yung lighting. Kasi tingnan nyo guys, parang ang weird niya. But, you know, that's just my graphic artist self nitpicking these things. But, Winter Breeze kasama din pala dito. So, ang daming tracks nito. Sana ginawa na nilang full album. Ayan na, yung nakaupo sila sa unong upuan. Bye, it's 4 AM here. I have to go. Thank you, Amy, for watching. They look amazing. These 4 people, though. Eh, gusto ko to. Ang ganda ng outfit ni Lo. Tingnan niya outfit ni Lo. Ang ganda. Ang ganda talaga ng outfit ni Lo. Sorry, Nabi, pero gusto ko pa rin siya ng maluwag yung damit niya. Ayan na, 7 na sila. Ayan, OT7. Parang, gusto ko i-scan. Pwede mo pa pa-scan. Yes, ito yung itsura nyo pagka-after ng karaoke. Tapos, paubos na yung oras. After nyo ng kubaw, tapos didiretso na kayo ng Tagaytay para magkape sa Starbucks. We've reached the end of the album. And we damaged the album because I'm an unlucky bitch. If you guys enjoyed this live, ay hindi, charot. Meron pa palang freebies.